Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. As you can see, we're chiseling off some gum. This is the first time this location had ever been cleaned, so there's a lot of gum. There's a lot of old gum. And as you can see, the gum is gone. That leaves a little shadow. That shadow is because there's some kind of an oil and gum, and that leaves the oil because it got smashed in there and transfers down. But the key part about it is once we get the old gum off all the way across, and once we do this on a consistent basis, the shadowing will disappear, and when we come in and get newer gum off, it doesn't leave a shadow because it hasn't had as long to sit. So done on a consistent basis, this looks like brand new, and it will continue to stay clean. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing, using the heat to get the gum.